Hello everyone! Good day and magandang buhay. Welcome to our Dev 208 Communication, Social Marketing and Mobilization subject. And I am Mr. Noriel Ilastrolio. And for today, I'm going to evaluate Kapon for All Pets by PAUSE program. This is the chosen social mobilization program by Miss Janine Fabella. And I'm going to assess her chosen program using what I created, social mobilization program, and indicators. So for this day, I'm going to assess her chosen program such as Kapon for All Pets, PAUSE program. Let's begin. So in terms of her chosen program, I would like to give you an eye view about her chosen program. Her chosen program is the Kapon for All Pets program. It is a collaborative program initiative by PAUSE and the Potion Project. It advocates for free and accessible spay-neuter services to reduce the stray animal population and promote responsible pet ownership. Next, let me begin with the monitoring and evaluation. I choose this part of my social mobilization program evaluation indicators so that we will know how will be the program will go through. So the monitoring and evaluation for her chosen program is Janine Fabella. The program reached thousands of pet owners and communities with strong visibility through social media campaigns and on-ground veterinary missions. Community feedback reflected positive attitude changes toward responsible pet ownership, and resources such as medical supplies and volunteer manpower were efficiently utilized. Next is use of indicators. When it comes to the use of indicators, high completion rates of spay-neuter procedures were recorded alongside behavioral adoption in terms of reduced stray populations and improved pet care practices. Educational materials and advocacy posts were widely disseminated, with pet owners expressing satisfaction and gratitude. Next is that evaluation design. As per her chosen program, its evaluation design, pre and post program data showed measurable reductions in stray animal numbers and improved health outcomes for pets. Comparative analysis with areas lacking similar intervention highlighted the effectiveness of sustained capon campaigns. Next is that collaboration and dissemination. As per this area, the initiative partnered with local governments, veterinarians, and animal welfare advocates, stakeholder meetings, and reports reinforced advocacy for human population control, while media coverage amplified outreach and community awareness. And for its SDG impact indicators, it falls down or it boils down to the program SDG 3, good health and well-being by promoting healthier pets and communities, and to SDG 11, sustainable cities and communities by reducing stray populations and fostering responsible ownership. Next is that my personal reflection and takeaways. The Kapon for All Pets program demonstrates how social mobilization and advocacy can transform communities by promoting humane and sustainable solution to pet overpopulation. As a pet lover with two dogs, that's Lexi and Nairobi, I see the direct relevance of this initiative. Not only does it ensure healthier pets, but it also creates safer, cleaner communities where animals are valued and cared for. The evaluation tool highlights that success comes from multi-stakeholder collaboration, effective communication, and most especially measurable outcomes. My personal key takeaway is that responsible pet ownership is not just a personal commitment, but a collective responsibility. Programs like this remind me that by supporting spay neuter initiatives, I am contributing to a broader vision of compassion, sustainability, and community well being values that resonate deeply with me as both an educator and a pet owner. And last but definitely not the least, I would like to share this quotation by Mahatma Gandhi. The greatness of a nation and its moral progress can be judged by the way its animals are treated. Once again, this is Dev 208 Communication, Social Marketing, and Mobilization. I am Mr. Nariel Ilastrolio, and I assessed the program chosen by Miss Janine Fabelia, which is the program by POS and Potion Project. Thank you, God bless, and magandang buhay to all of you. Thank you.